Do you have a LinkedIn profile? There are millions of LinkedIn users worldwide. No wonder recruiters use it actively to find and research candidates. In other words, it's time to make sure you have a LinkedIn profile that shines. Here are some tips and tricks to make that happen. Start with an appropriate profile picture. Choose one that shows a professional side of you. Keep in mind who you want to attract when choosing your profile picture. Write a good heading. One tip is to include the roles you want to highlight. Write a catchy summary. This is your opportunity to highlight what you know, what you are passionate about, and what drives you. Is your passion great communication? Write that. Fill your profile with information about your education, work experience, and volunteer work. Include an understandable description of your responsibilities and which courses you have taken. What have you learned? Which achievements are you particularly proud of? It's okay to tell others what you have accomplished. Remember that the words you use in your heading, summary, education, and experience are searchable. Find good words that match the industry or line of business you are interested in. Congratulations! You now have a great LinkedIn profile. It's time to find out what you as a student or graduate actually can do with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a fantastic tool for research. How about checking to see what people with the same degree as you actually do? Are you going on an interview? Use LinkedIn to get valuable information about the company and key people. LinkedIn is a place where accomplished people share their knowledge and expertise. Remember that LinkedIn is a living tool, a place to get inspiration and knowledge, build an exciting network, and show the world who you are.